Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. Now you are two persons, but there is only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion, and your days together be good and long upon the earth.
Kimberly, it is impossible for me to put into the words the love and support you have given me. Through thick and thin, like the teepee we used trekking up Mount Everest, you stood by me.
Tantalus Range. Kim, Andy, here we are at your wedding. The beautiful snow, the giant mountains, this incredible view. Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other, to accept the other person in his or her as a companion, a lover, and as a friend. Marriage is not a step to be taken lightly or hastily, but with forethought and consideration. Marriage is a relationship based on love, respect, and determination. It is important to remember that to truly love someone, you want their success, their happiness, and everything that is best for them.
Andy, I'm so excited and proud that I get to be with you here and become your wife. My favorite thing about you is how compassionate and kind you are to everyone around you. I love the way you keep me laughing, the way you make me feel safe, and that you love animals almost as much as I do.
But it feels so right now. As I said, stay. I've been waiting for you. As I said, stay. Won't you wait for me to? Yeah.
Kimberly, I promise to always make you laugh, to fight for you, love you, and unconditionally and wholeheartedly for the rest of my life. You are my forever bubble buddy, and I'm the luckiest person on earth to call you mine.
With patience, respect, and trust, I promise to stick by your side through the ups and downs that we may encounter. I promise to keep the house free of spiders, and I promise to always try to be more patient, try to keep an open mind, and to try to keep improving myself for me, you, and for our future.
I've been waiting for you. As I said, stay, won't you wait for me to?
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Today I choose you, and I vow to never stop choosing you, not because I have to, but because I want to.